Hi guys, it's Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today I'm just going to make a quick haul in regards to the shopping that I bought earlier on. If you watched my first video, that we went to Iceland and to Asda. So this is what I bought here in the two shops. And I'll show you how much I spent as well. So here, I have here all the stuff that I bought from Iceland. This one's. And it cost me £9 and 10 pence with all of this. So anyway, we'll go through it like a quick haul. So I have here Costello. See that one? That's a soft cheese made of ananas or pineapple. And this, we usually used it with our crackers. They're really nice. They're only £1. We bought as well clover. There's a clover butter. This is usually £1.85. I bought this one only for £1. So which we have a good deal with that. We bought as well Alpro almond. If you're gonna buy it on its own, it's £1.75. But if you're gonna buy them too, this too, it only cost you £2. So it costs you only like £1 each. So which is good. This one as well. See the Lord sausages slices. This is also £1 for 10 slices. So that's a good deal. And another one, we bought this one as well, the kebab meat, 1.5 kilos. That's only for £4. So that's all that we bought from Iceland. Like what I said, in Iceland, we like going there because in Iceland it's really good. You know, it's cheap, especially if we're gonna buy frozen food. That's why we like going there. So anyway, our next one, I'm gonna show you what we bought here in Asda. Okay, so these are the ones that we bought from Asda here. So I have here, this is the baby wipes, which is only 69 pence. This is really good. We bought as well this one. This is 90 pence for our kebab wraps. We bought crackers, this one for £1. We bought as well this one, panty liner for £1. We bought eggs, that one there. See the eggs? That's £1. Those eggs. 15 eggs for £1 is very good. And then we have this one as well, which is the crush, which is 40 pence. We've got cream for £1. We've got this biscuit for 40 pence. We get this one for 88 pence. Demerara sugar, this one for 79 pence. And we've got this Asda biscuit. You see this one here? This is £1, which is a big pack. Get the bananas as well. This is £1. And we've got the Asda toilet 6 rolls for £1. And that only cost me £10 and 89 pence. So basically with all of this, I only spent nearly £20. But this is a few days shopping, and like what you see, I've got everything, most of it. With that kebab meat, we usually have like a few meals with that, so pork with is not too bad. Here in Britain, it's not very expensive. If you've got only like £10 or £5, you can actually have a food with that. So yeah, so like what we do, we usually make our menu so we know what we need to get every time we go shopping, so at least we don't just buy anything on anything. So yeah, so next time I'll see you again for my next video, and please don't forget to don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe, and please comment down below if there's any other shops you want me to go and you want me to get, and I'll show you again for my next one. And don't forget to watch as well the video that I'll make when I went shopping in Iceland warehouse, and as well when I went to Asda. At least you know how much the food and what you get here in the supermarkets here in England. And I'll see you again for my next one. Bye. Thank you. Bye.